the hardest connection you get. You gotta slide this back, and then push right here, like that. And then this one, just a regular clip. Screwdriver here, pull it back, loosen it. These are the mounting bolts. Show you right now. Where you gonna find them? They are. This is the left side of the vehicle. To remove the sway bar, you have to take these bolts off. Right here. Both of these. Both of those. And then the mounting bolts are in here. It's just 2 bolts, no nuts. Right there. And then right there. It's for the rack and pinion. Obviously you have to remove these. Loosen it a little bit, hit this hammer, loosen it out. Then here's your connectors. There's one and the big one's up there. And for that one I had access. Put one of my hands through here to pull it. And then on this side, can't see it. Sorry, it's really hard. You get the gist of it. And then this is where the bolts on the other side, where I showed you over here. Then the other side for the sway bars right here. You have to remove the whole sway bar. I'll show you right now. And for these, you just whack them all right here. It's good to get a solid one. Just like that. You might have to hit it solid with the follow through. And not a purse. And then there's enough for your sway bar end link. Same with the other side. And this, if your nut does it start spinning on you, the end link, just tried but they didn't do it all the way. There's an Allen wrench. You can put it in here and then just turn the bolt, the nut, and then just hold this stationary and it comes out. And on one side is gonna be pressure because your sway bar is pretty much activated, or it's doing its job here. So just put a jack down here and the lower ball joint, and then just jack up on the knuckle itself, and it should start loosening up. Right there. Then just lower it back. Just like that. And the reason we got to remove the sway bar is to make room, because it's pretty tight in here. I don't know if you can see, sway bar goes over this way. And we have to make up for that neck portion, the black piece where the steering shaft goes into, that comes with. So there's very limited space right here. So you got to pull this. It's just 4 bolts. Then slide it out. And obviously strap your steering wheel so you don't mess up your clock screen. And then there's your bolt right there. And then that'll disconnect it and you push it, the steering shaft column up. And then there it is, pull the bolt. Then I grab this and pull up on it and it comes out of there. Obviously my steering wheel is locked straight, and then you gotta make sure rack and pinion you're removing. It's pretty straightforward, and then all you gotta do is just turn that to match your steering wheel in a direction. There's a little right up here, so you can see it. See the little green thing? It's like an indent, or like a slot that would go in this piece right there. So then if you're a little bit off, just rotate this instead of your steering wheel. All right, I already pulled it out. I'll show you what I did. You have to pull this out to give you more room. Just 3 bolts and then pry on it and it comes out this way. Down here, it took transmission mount, pulled off, And then I lowered the subframe. Not all the way off, just enough to give me room. Fronts, all four. Obviously, you have to take these off, these bolts that hold these together. The exhaust comes down with everything. You're gonna have to work those two bolts for the sway bar. You have to pull the sway bar up and down until you can work them out. Just push it up and out of the way. And then, yep. And it went out towards the passenger side because there's no room in here. And quick tip on the outside ones, on both sides. Gotta loosen them. The left one come out because I lower this. If it's not low enough, you have to lower until you can pull them out. You have to wiggle it like this to angle it so it can clear. Same way on the way in, you have to finesse it with both sides loose. Same way to put it in. I just put it in. It was easier to pull it in, put it in, than put it out, I guess. And that's it. Just assemble it in reverse order. And sorry for all the grunts. And if this helped you out, subscribe and help me out.